Hi guys, today's video is about how to download a climate data which consists your rainfall, air temperature and many things. So we are using a user-friendly website which is powered by NASA, that is Power Access Data Viewer. It's a free website so you can download your data. So based on hourly, monthly climatological data. So I'm currently using daily values. For an example, I'm just using um, a place called Barabanki. So that's latitude and longitude. I'm going to just type in based on your requirement, like you want to get a data for any type of your station. You can just use their latitude and longitude to get that data. Climatological data are studied for the period of 30 years. So I'm just going to type for a 30 years, that is from 1990 January to November 30 of 2021, since December is not yet over, to just completely use that data of that 2021 year. So after that, I'm going to select an output file format. So I find Excel's very easy, so I will go with CSV type of format, and when I'm getting that format, it will be easy for me to handle the data in Excel. So once when your output file is selected, you just have to select your parameters. So for the current study, I want just temperature and precipitation. So when we are selecting a temperature, we should also select minimum and maximum temperature. That's the requirement for my study, so I'm just particularly going around it. And then precipitation, that is nothing but your rainfall. So that's all. Once you select your parameters, you just have to just go back and just recheck whether your datas are rightly fed into the system, into the site parameters. That's all, and you need to submit it. Once when you submit your data, so it requires few minutes, and it just asks you what are the output files that you are having. It will also ask you whether you want to directly incorporate into other values. So basically our output is CSV, and just we have to click it. Just it starts downloading once when you click that output file format. So since we have downloaded with the CSV, so we have to always use Excel to open it. Now it is downloaded. I'm just going to open it using Excel. So CSV files always gets downloaded in Excel. It's opening, and here we have the date, time period, the latitude and longitude, the header, the values. I'm just going to highlight the latitude and longitude just to show you guys how it's been there. Then the elevation. These are the parameters which we have downloaded: year, date, month, temperature, maximum, minimum, and precipitation. It will be from 1990 to 2021 November 30th. So that's how it's going to be in the formatted form. You can use this data for finding annual, monthly, any type of data. So I'm just going to select this part of my sheet. I'm going to cut and paste it over the next sheet, so it kind of look neat. And this information is also very important when you are referencing or citing a place and you require elevation and all. So you will be requiring this data. So I'm just going to select this types of cell and I'm going to delete it, so it looks more presentable and it would be more usable. Yep, and I'm just deleting it. Yep, this is how your sheet will look. You can use your functions of Excel to use this data. So it's an easy interface to use. And that's all, guys. Thank you.